Welcome to Creating with Jovi and to 100 Days of Pockets. In collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis, I have created a torn paper pocket. Be sure to check out Cindy's channel. Also, be sure to check out my description box because in it you're going to find a link to Cindy's Ko-Fi shop where you can get a downloadable copy of her 100 Days of Pockets booklet. Today you will need a base paper. You're also going to want some paper that you can tear, which can be any kind of paper. Wrapping paper, wallpaper, scrapbook paper, vintage paper, magazine, whatever you map, whatever you want, okay? So you're going to want that. And then of course you're going to want some glue and your base. I am going to use this as my base. This is one of the journal pages that I've created during this collaboration. And so I figure I might as well go ahead and do this side. And then you might want some ink for distressing and then possibly some goodies for embellishing. I'm going to get started by tearing this paper, and I'm going to tear it this way. There we go, like this. It's going to be a pretty good size pocket. I think I like that. And then I'm going to glue it down on these two sides. If you want to, you can tear around like more of a rectangle and glue three sides. But when I tear pockets, I do like to sort of go at it like this. It's very organic in shape. So now I'm just going to glue these two sides down, the sides that are already in a perfect line. All right, my friends, I have cut out this beautiful paper doll. She is part of my paper doll kit that I have. It's a printable kit. I have it available in my Etsy shop. And this month I am hosting a paper doll collaboration along with my friend Jen at Sassy Southern NC Girl, because she has a paper doll collaboration every month. And so it inspired me to create a kit, and I invited her to collaborate with me. And you are invited to collaborate with us as well. We're going to do one video per week for the month of October. And just so that you know, I did put some freebies in my Facebook group if you wanted some. They are more of a seasonal paper doll. And then I have, of course, the printable kit that is available to you if you want lots of paper dolls. I'm going to hit the edges of this page with some brown ink. And I'm wondering, I think I might like to go along this edge, but I'll have to use this. It's a bit smaller. Nothing crazy, just a little bit. There we go. Just to give it a little definition. There, okay, I like that. You know, friends, what might be kind of cool is if I would take this and tear it and then just simply glue it to this page here, just for a little accent. I think I like that. Let me see if I can get a little bit of ink on the edges. I didn't have to dip this dauber. It already has enough on it that I could just use what was already on there. And in case you were wondering, because somebody did ask, they wanted to know what kind of ink this was. And this particular one that I'm using today is Stampabilities, and the color is just brown. It just says brown on it. And so just so that you know, that's what I was using. Now let's get some glue onto this little music sheet. Just adding a little bit of detail to our journal page. Kind of brings everything together, I think. There. What do you think? I really like it. I think that has a very cool effect. So, my friends, I really appreciate you spending some time with me today. I hope you enjoyed this one, and thanks for watching. See you soon.